Morning everyone, happy Thursday, almost weekend again. The sun is coming out already. You wanna see there, the sun is there. The sun is in my head. This is the view of in our house. See, the sun is in the right side of me. I want to have sunlight before I continue cleaning the house. I clean the other room, but this room not yet. In the hallway, and ang gana ko uh, 5-10 minutes sunlight. Enough. 10 minutes sunlight is enough. So that I can have vitamin D. I can get vitamin D from the sunlight. A natural vitamin D from the sun. Dilim kasi lahat sa lubong sa araw yung camera.